So first of all, we've got 1 tin of tuna. I've drained the water from the tuna. Got 4 eggs here. I've got 1 small onion. I've got lots of grated cheese. I've got like a large handful of spinach that I've washed already. I've got some olives. I've put 7 there. That should be enough. They're pitted. Some coarse ground black pepper and some garam masala. The onion is peeled. I'm just going to chop it as small chunks as I can. That makes sense. Into small chunks. Okay, so let's turn our cooker on, and we need some olive oil, so just a touch, just a light touch of olive oil. Nice, nice. And then add in the onions. And let's cook it up, guys. While that's browning, just turn that to low heat so it doesn't cook too quick. I'm just going to quickly slice these olives. They're nice, big and chunky, but come on, it's a bit much in it, mate. Come on. Okay, that looks about beautiful, right? I'm just going to add the olives in. It's still on a low heat, mind you, guys. Sorry, I'm shouting. I'm going to add the tuna in. And then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of each of the spices. I've also decided I'm going to add some garlic paste that I've got. So let's do this quickly because this thing looks like it wants to burn me. Okay, so half a teaspoon of salt, roundabout. And then about half a teaspoon of the ground black pepper. Half a teaspoon of the garam masala. And then half a teaspoon of the garlic paste. Yeah, that's what I said I'd add extra. You know what, I think I'm going to add a bit more oil. I think I left it a bit too dry. I was trying to show that I was healthy to you guys, but it's not true. You know, I'm going to have to drizzle some more on before this thing burns, and I don't want to add water. So yeah, just a touch more. And there we go. So much more moisturised, so much better. That's that. Okay, so next I'm just going to add in the spinach. So just kind of spread it over the top. By the way, you probably think I've done this before, like with these exact ingredients. I've not, so if I make a mess, blame yourselves. It's your fault, not mine. It's still on a low heat, but it's on the highest burner. Okay, ooh, it's so healthy already. Okay, so leave that, and I'm gonna sort out the eggs now. So in a small bowl, okay, not like that. Crack the 4 eggs. And then just lightly whisk it. As you can see, the spinach is smaller. I'm just going to mix it into the tuna. So I'm going to pour over this egg. And it's still on a low heat, mind you guys. The egg to cook on a low heat. Shouldn't take long. I say what I don't know, like I don't know. Shall I add 2 more eggs? Looks like it needs a bit more egg, eh? I'm gonna add 2 more eggs. Okay, and then those 2 more eggs that you added, pour that over the top. So just leave it cooking on a low heat about 5-10 minutes until it looks kind of fully cooked. Hopefully, inshallah, it won't burn in all that time. About 5 minutes. 10 minutes is too long. So it's not really been 5 minutes, has it? Or maybe about 4 minutes, but you can see the egg starting to like look slightly cooked. You can tell it's cooked around the underneath side a bit, but like the top layer is not cooked, but that's fine, you know, that's all right. What I'm going to do now, okay, turn the grill on. So you need a grill, or you maybe in the oven, but make sure you've not got like a frying pan with a plastic handle, because then you're in trouble. But I've turned the grill on to high, and all I'm going to do is still on a low heat. Yeah, it's still on a low heat. I'm just going to pour over loads of grated cheese. all over the top. Make sure you, like, once you put the egg on and you're putting the cheese on, that you don't stir the egg or don't mix it, because that just spoils the look. So like, the less cheese you have, the more healthy it will be, but like, who cares about health in this day and age? So yeah, just put a lot of cheese on, innit, mate? I want it to be tasty, forget anything else. So I'm going to turn the heat off now. All I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this pan, I'm going to put it on the grill, under the grill. But I have to be really careful because my frying pan has got a plastic handle, so I'm just going to leave it kind of like that. I'm going to leave it open, and I've put it, let me show you. I've rested my frying pan, which is under the grill, which is still warming. Is it warming? What is it doing? Yeah, so it's a little bit of a distance away, so it's not on a tray or anything. Am I making sense? So I'm just waiting for the cheese to grill. So you're looking for when the cheese starts to grill and bubble, then we're good to go, babies. We're good to go. Okay, so I've taken it out of the oven, and that to me looks absolutely gorgeous, so fluffy, so delicious looking, and I can't wait to taste it. So the egg cooked fine, so the underneath was cooked on the burner, and then the top layer has cooked in the grill. Just perfetto, just mashallah perfetto. So should we do a taste test? Just admire it for a bit first. Go on, let's just look at the spinach. See the olive peeping through, mate. Let's cut into this. Feels nice, feels so eggy. So yeah, oh beauty. So, honestly, I feel like my tummy's gonna rumble. So let's scoop this out. There you go, there's your slice of frittata, mate. So let me just bite into this. I'm gonna have this, the back of it first, because of the grilled cheese stuff.